Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car diagnostics with the powerful Launch X431 CRP919X OBD2 scanner. This incredible device is a game changer for anyone who wants to easily diagnose and fix any issues with their vehicle. With the Launch CRP919X, you can perform system-wide diagnostics on your car's entire system, including the engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, and more. This means you can identify and fix any problems before they turn into major issues, keeping your car in the safest and healthiest condition of all times. But that's not all. The CRP919X also offers bi-directional control, allowing you to perform powerful active tests on car subsystems. Plus, with its 31 maintenance services and easy vehicle matching, this device is well equipped to handle increasingly complex vehicles. One of the standout features of the CRP919X is its online coding capability, allowing you to easily perform coding and programming tasks for your vehicle directly from this device. This saves you time and money and puts you in control of your vehicle's performance. And with a 60-day return policy and 5-year technical support, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're getting a high-quality product with years of experience and support. So don't wait. Upgrade your car diagnostics game with the Launch X431 CRP919X OBD2 scanner. Click the link in the description to get yours today, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.